Level 9, Advanced. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In a small village, a shepherd boy was sent to guard the flock of sheep. He sat alone on the hillside, day after day, until boredom filled his mind. Seeking amusement, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf! A wolf is chasing the sheep!" The villagers, hearing his cries, rushed to his aid. But when they arrived, they found no wolf. The boy laughed at their anger, delighted with his trick. Soon, he repeated it again. "Wolf, wolf!" he cried, and once more the villagers came. When they saw no wolf, they grew furious and warned him never to lie again. The boy only laughed. One evening, however, a real wolf appeared and began to attack the sheep. The boy shouted desperately, "Wolf, wolf, please help!" But the villagers, weary of his lies, paid no attention. The wolf scattered the flock, killing many sheep, and the boy was left in tears, realizing that trust, once lost, is not easily regained.